Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to our lecturer, Dr. Azidin Muhammad Razali. Today we will present assignment 2 for the subject electrical drive and control. So our title of this assignment 2 is the mathematical model and simulation of a DC motor. First of all, I will introduce my group member. Sit on the left, on the camera is Muhammad Haziq bin Abdul Jalil, by me, Hanafi Imran bin Hamzah in the mid, and to Ashraf Azra Ibn Hussein on the right. Okay. For the introduction, a DC motor is one of a class of battery electrical motors that converts direct current electrical energy into mechanical energy. DC motors are important machines in the most control systems such as electrical system in automobiles, trains and process control. It is well understood that for a control system design, the mathematical model is very important. So this is the mathematical model of a DC motor. A DC motor is an integrated control system. It directly provides rotary motion and can provide transitional motion combined with wheels or drum and cables. Figure below is electrical circuit diagram of a separately excited motor. So the motor consists of two circuits of field and armature. The field circuit is mounted on the motor's RF and a high inductance LF. The field inductance has no impact on the steady state analysis since the source is a DC type. So this is a table for the result. On the left is table 1, which is value observed by simulation. All the results getting by simulation is into this table, which is contain armature current, field current, speed, and torque. Same goes to the table 2, which is the value observed by the calculation. For this part, I will pass to Ashraf.
Okay, I will continue the calculation. Okay, firstly, we need to calculate the dynamic performance during starting. Okay, the equation is in this dynamic performance during starting was using 240 volt of the armature voltage and the load torque was maintained at 0 Nm. So, firstly, we need to the equation TE equal TL plus B omega R. So IA we get 0.0001 omega R per 1.8. So IF VF per RF IF we get 1 ampere. Second VA equal IA RA and plus EA. Omega R we get the 133.30 rad second. Okay, IA we get the 0.007407 ampere. So TE LEF and IA we get the 0.013 Nm. Okay, second. Dynamic performance during sudden change in load torque. Okay, the difference is 0 Nm to the 2 Nm at the time per second. Okay, we use the same TE TL plus B omega R. TIA we get the 1.111 plus 5.55. Okay, IF we got the 1 ampere. Okay, so second VA RA plus EA and omega R we get the 1 T3 rad per second. So IA we get 1.118 ampere. So input the equation TE AF, IA. So TE we get the 2.0124 nm. Okay, for the second, for the last equation, dynamic performance during sudden change in armature voltage. Okay, the difference is decrease from 240 volt to the 120 volt. Armature voltage and the low voltage were maintained at 2 nm. So IA we get 1.111 plus 5.555, and IF we get the 1 ampere. So omega R we get the 60.3 rad per second. So IA we get the 1.114 ampere. So the question lastly TE, L, AF, IA. TE we get 2.0052 nm. Okay. I will pass to the Muhammad Aziz.
Okay, so the first is dynamic performance during starting. Okay, in this mathematical model was designed based on the formula from the Laplace transform that is given the mathematical model in the report. Okay, this circuit was set at the step with the load torque was maintained at 0 for the first 0 nm, and this mathematical model was display value of armature current, field current, torque and rotor speed. Okay, to display the graph for the armature circuit, rotor speed, load torque and field circuit, we have to click at the scope in the mathematical model. Okay, so from this graph was show the success to prove that the theory result same with the calculation result. That mean the objective of mathematical model is achieved. Okay, this is the dynamic performance during sudden change in load torque. Okay, this mathematical model was same for the previous method, but this design was set at the step with the load torque from 0 to 2 nm at the time 4 seconds. Okay, this figure also show the display value of armature current, field current, speed and torque. Okay, we can observe that field current and speed remain unchanged, but the armature current was slightly increased than previous method. Other than that, the torque is increased rapidly from 0.013 nm to 2.0124 nm. Okay, so for the 3 is we call this dynamic performance during sudden change is armature voltage. So we also use the same mathematical model. From this, we use design set at step with the load torque was maintained at 2 nm, and we can see that the speed for this method was slightly decreased to 66.3 radian per second. Okay, so I pass to calculation.
Okay. For conclusion, we can conclude that the proposed model illustrates correctly emulates the MATLAB simulating software, create a simulation model and simulates a DC motor drive by observe the motor steady state and dynamic performance by varying the motor input parameters such as the armature voltage, field current, and load torque. The accuracy of the model is high as the complete mathematical model is used for all the components including DC motors. The result presented in this paper can be used to study motors steady state and dynamic performance by varying the motor input parameter. Okay, with all regards, we apologize for any misleading information. Thank you so much and have a great day everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.